Khan, admin of Islam Tech, and here today I am going to show you how to disassemble the Lenovo A6000 mobile. And here you can see this is Lenovo A6000 mobile in my hand, and now we are going to tear down the mobile. So first of all, we have to unscrew the screws, which are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws are here. So we will open these screws. I have already opened it. Remove the battery, take the opener, and here you can see we open like this. Here you can find tip. Remove this slowly. Remove the camera. This, and here are power and volume buttons. Slowly take this out. And here you can see and here just take it out like this and remove the RF cable from here. Now this is the board of Lenovo A6000. So successfully we have teared down this, and it is a touch strip. It is speaker and network connection contact strip it here, and it is a display strip. I hope you enjoy the video tutorial. You have learned how to tear down, how to disassemble the Lenovo A6000 mobile. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe the video so you can get all my latest videos, latest updates direct to your Gmail account. Don't forget to like, thumbs up the video, share the video, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.